Hello entrepreneurs, welcome to NOBOSS TV Discussion 11. Let's get started. In the previous discussion, we talked about your business type and the direct expenses related to your manufacturing, retail, or services business. In this discussion, we're going to use everything you've worked on and put your new business in perspective. Because your business is new, you don't have history or data to analyze, so up to this point, I've had you gathering information about your idea so that you'd have something tangible to work with. Now, you already know that being a visionary is key to entrepreneurship, but have you thought about why it's essential or why it's effective? Without getting into a lot of theories, it's been proven that the brain and heart must make a connection in order to accomplish anything. You hear successful people say it all the time. I just envisioned myself winning. I saw myself on stage getting that Grammy. In scripture, you often see in your mind and in your heart together in the same sentence. We even say it when we talk to each other. Yeah, I can see you doing that. We don't mean that we're physically there. We mean we envisioned it, right? Once you can see it in our minds, our hearts can believe it. Have you ever said, I just know in my heart, I can feel it in my heart? Or, I felt I was in danger, I felt happy about it? That's because the heart can feel what the mind can see. Albert Einstein once said, your imagination is everything. It's the preview of life's coming attractions. Napoleon Hill stated in Think and Grow Rich, whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. It's methods as simple and as effortless as this that the greats and successful people practice. And it all starts with a clear vision. The vision statement is about the future of your business. Now, while it doesn't give you a detailed roadmap as to how you're going to achieve this vision, it does set the foundation for planning. It's for you, the company, and the employees within, so it should be inspiring, it should be forward-thinking, but most importantly, it should answer the question, where do you want your business to go or be in the future? Now, here's some examples. Uber says, our vision is to make transportation as reliable as running water, everywhere for everyone. Nordstrom says, our vision is to give customers the most compelling shopping experience possible. Amazon says, our vision is to be Earth's most customer-centric company, to build a place where people can come to find and discover anything they might want to buy online. Now here's one from the past. Bill Gates says he envisions a personal computer in every home and business. Now, to you youngsters, this may not seem like such a profound vision. However, pre-1985, we were still using typewriters. So yes, at the time, this statement was very profound, and we had no idea what we'd be doing with the computers. Now, here's one for the future. It hasn't happened yet. Elon Musk says his vision is that humankind would be able to travel to Mars and live there. Now think about what he does. This guy builds rockets for commercial travel, so it makes sense that this would be his vision statement. But it also tells me that there's a little more to come. His rockets will get us there, but what is he going to do that will allow us to live there? It's just a thought. Starbucks says, our vision is to inspire and nurture the human spirit, one cup, one person, one neighborhood at a time. Now for me, the human spirit throws me off because I would have thought instead of human spirit, it would have been more about conversation or relationships or maybe communication. But that's Starbucks' vision. Now Amex does it best. Amex says, we work hard every day to make American Express the world's most respected service brand. Now the next step is your mission statement. It could be one sentence to a few paragraphs, but it tells the world your goals, your objectives, your purpose, or maybe even your business philosophy. But most importantly, the mission statement should answer the question, why do you do this and what's the benefit? Amex says, we especially love the emphasis on teamwork and supporting employees so that the people inside the organization can be in the best position to support their customers. Now, what I love about Amex statement is not only their support for their employees, but they back it up by referring to customers as customers of their employees. And this is a prime example of motivating your employees, because it appears to me that American Express values their employees just as much as they value their customers. Your company's slogan. While your vision and mission statement may only be seen within your business, or let's say on official business documents like a business plan, your slogan and your elevator pitch are often seen by the public. The company slogan is a short quip that exemplifies the core purpose of your business. And because it's for marketing and advertising purposes, it often follows the business name on your promotional material. It may cause intrigue and make the customer curious to find out more about your business. Or you may want to go bold and establish your business as the best, the authority, or the one that is or does something. Like American Express, who simply says, don't leave home without it. Now see if you can guess the company of these slogans. How did you do? Did you guess them all? The next thing that we're going to work on is your elevator pitch. Now, you want your elevator pitch to be short and grab the immediate attention of the listener, because you're usually conversing when you make your pitch. So it's a little longer than your slogan, it's more informative and more effective approach because it's often used by the entrepreneur or the sales team. So let's set this up. You were just thinking about or just talking to your business partner about your ideal customer, an investor, or maybe a celebrity influencer. You get off the phone and catch the elevator going up to the 10th floor. Just before the doors closes, your ideal customer or that investor, that celebrity, gets on the elevator with you, pushes the button going up to the penthouse. Now you've got 10 floors before you need to get off, so that's about a minute to introduce yourself, tell them about your business, and hopefully exchange business cards. What do you say? Now here's some examples. Chef Roble says, I love feeding people. With my team of talented chefs and event producers, I create captivating, one-of-a-kind dining experiences for high-end clientele across the country. Lindsay Andrews says, Minibar is the fastest growing on-demand alcohol company. Who doesn't want to push a button and get wine, spirits, and beer delivered? Matthew Prince says, I'm the co-founder and CEO of Cloudflare, a company helping to build a better internet. I'm a repeat entrepreneur and a recovering lawyer. Lauren Bush Laurent says, I founded Feed as a way to help my peers get involved in the fight to end hunger. Every product we sell has a number on it. which represents the number of meals that each purchase provides to a child in need. Now, I certainly wouldn't go without showing you just how easy it is to express your vision, what your business is all about. It may be terms that you use all the time when you're talking about your business idea or thinking about starting your business. For example, the NOBOSS vision is quite simply to help every entrepreneur realize their vision. The NOBOSS mission is to reduce the risk of failure and increase the potential for success for the entrepreneur that is going the extra mile to support their families, contribute to the world, be independent, and live purposeful lives. The NOBOSS slogan, starting your business just got real. And the NOBOSS pitch, I love watching entrepreneurs succeed. Helping them cultivate their ideas, plan, strategize, and bring them to reality might just be as exciting as starting another business of my own. Now it's your turn. Take some time to think about your vision, the mission, your purpose, your intentions of your business. And then download Workshop 1 and create your vision statement, your mission statement, your company slogan, and your elevator pitch. This concludes discussion 11. Click that like or subscribe button below. And remember, a real boss has no boss.